You know me, I like to book interesting rooms. Today we are on board the oldest ship that is sailing the US market, and that is the Margaritaville at Sea Paradise. I have booked an Ocean View room, and we're going to be in Ocean View cabin number 4035. Let's head inside. Welcome to my Ocean View room 4035 here on board the Margaritaville at Sea Paradise. This is going to be an Ocean View room, which in this case, Ocean View just means you have a window that you can look out and see the ocean. There is no balcony, so you can sit outside, or it's not an interior where you have no view at all. So here on board, we do have that. This room is currently set up as a queen bed. So I believe it's probably two twins pushed together. There is possibility to sleep a third person. There is a bed inside here that drops down. This ship was built in 1991, so this is probably still the oldest sailing ship out at sea, so keep that in mind. There is no couch in this room. That is one thing, because you have this bed. There is a little chair over here by the vanity, so you do have that. Other than that, you could probably use this as a seating area here by the window if you wish. There is no storage underneath other than this little cubby, which is kind of cool. I do like that, but you do have a big, almost what I would call a porthole. That is one thing I really like about this cabin, is the amount of natural sunlight that comes from the Ocean View window here. One thing I really do like about the Margaritaville at Sea here is the nice beachy vibe. I do like the light blue colors here that you find on board. As far as everything else, one thing to keep in mind, there is only one outlet in this room, and it's gonna be right over here by the window. So if you need to charge some stuff, I guess take turns. There is, if you bring a European adapter, you do have a 230 volt outlet right here. So you do have that as well. And then if you get creative, the Samsung TV here probably has a couple USB in it. The TV here does have a couple USBs on the back. So you do have that available right there. So keep that in mind in case you need some more power. You can get it from the TV. But outside that, there is not a lot of power options in this room. That is one thing I would have to say. Some of the other rooms are actually kind of loud. Somebody's running water in the bathroom next door, and it's fairly loud in here. So I don't know if you've stayed in this room, but let me know in the comments. Are the rooms on the Margaritaville at Sea Paradise fairly noisy at night? Curious to find out. So outside that, the Margaritaville at Sea Paradise is what I would have to say is probably one of the oldest ships still sailing in the US market. This ship was built in 1991 for Costa Cruises, and then was for Paradise Cruises, and now Margaritaville at Sea. So just kind of interesting fact there, but the room actually has been refreshed. This ship just recently came out of a dry dock. So you do have new carpet and some new furnishings on board. So nice little touch there. We do have decent storage. We have a closet here, and then over here we do have some drawers, and there's more drawers in the closet. Down here we have a mini fridge, which right now it doesn't feel very cool. So let me know in the comments down below if you've been on this ship. Does that fridge work decently? Because I need to know, because I like to store bottled water in that fridge. Just kind of curious on that. Of course, we do have the bathroom, which be careful with this one. There is actually a pretty good step up into the bathroom. So be careful, watch your footing, but you do have the shower curtain, which we all know I am not a big fan of shower curtains, but at least it's pretty. It does have the sunset and very beachy vibe. Shower, you do have the Margaritaville soap, shampoo, and conditioner. That is one nice little touch here on board, because I've stayed at a couple of their resorts. It is great at the resorts. And then of course over here we have a little vanity with a sink that has pretty decent water pressure and a nice large countertop. You do actually have access to some storage underneath here, so you do have that as well. Let's hop back out here into the room. I apologize, it is warm in this room currently. The thermostat in this room, you do have that right here by the front door. So right now it's set to right about 12 degrees. So we'll see how that works throughout the cruise. Right now it is a little warm in my room, but I've been running around the ship already, and it is a nice hot day. This is on board the Margaritaville at Sea Paradise. This is an Ocean View room. This one sleeps 3, so we have the cabin here is 4035. So if you found any of this information helpful, definitely hit that subscribe button. That way you can find more ship tours and information. So until next time, in a small world, travel's large.